Today, we're diving into the world of portable sewing machines and counting down the best 5 models you can get your hands on. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the Singer Stitch Sew Quick Portable Mending Machine. This handheld wonder is perfect for quick repairs and alterations. Lightweight and battery operated, it's ideal for those who need a machine that's easy to carry around and use anywhere. Its ease of use and portability make it a great addition to any sewing kit. Coming in at number 4 is the Brother XM2701 Lightweight Full-Featured Sewing Machine. Don't let its size fool you. This machine packs a punch with 27 built-in stitches, including decorative and quilting stitches. It's perfect for a variety of projects, and its lightweight design makes it easy to move around your home or take to classes. The Brother XM2701 offers excellent value for both beginners and experienced sewers alike. Our third pick is the Janome Graceful Gray Basic Sewing Machine. This compact powerhouse is known for its durability and user-friendly design. With 11 built-in stitches and a 4-step buttonhole, it's great for everyday sewing tasks. Its compact size doesn't compromise its performance, making it a reliable choice for sewers who need a portable yet robust machine. At number 2, we have the Singer Start 1304 Sewing Machine. This little machine is perfect for beginners, offering 6 built-in stitches and easy-to-use features. Its lightweight and compact design make it ideal for those who need a machine that's easy to transport. Despite its simplicity, it's a dependable machine that can handle a variety of sewing projects. And finally, our top pick for the best portable sewing machine is the Juki HCL27Z. This compact machine is perfect for those who need a reliable and portable option. It features 22 built-in stitches, a free arm for sewing sleeves and cuffs, and a convenient drop-in bobbin. The Juki HCL27Z is lightweight and easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for sewing on the go without sacrificing functionality.
This is it for this video. Please allow me to quickly introduce you to my super useful product for sewers.
Discover the ultimate sewing companion with 600 sewing projects. Packed with a massive collection of sewing projects, this easy-to-navigate PDF is your gateway to endless creativity. Simply click on a category, whether it's bags, clothes, bedding, toys, headwear, or an extensive variety of other plans like accessories, zippers, plushies, quilts, scarves, and a lot more. Each of the 600 projects contains a detailed explanation on how to make them, with lots of images, materials, step-by-step instructions, and even videos. Visuals for every project help you quickly decide what to add to your to-do list. With built-in notes pages, you can easily save and organize your favorite projects for future sewing sessions. 600 sewing projects, the only sewing resource you will need. Transform your sewing experience today. Link is in the description of this video.